Welcome to Isocrats.app channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
The given question is two dice are rolled once. Find the probability of getting an even number on the first die or a total of face sum 8. So what we have given is that you have two dice and you are rolling both the dice together. And we need to find the probability of getting an even number on the first die or a total of face sum 8. Total of face sum 8 means that when you add both the numbers that we have in first die and the second die, you should get a sum of 8. That is, the sum should equals 8. So we have a sample space S as 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, and 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and finally 6, 6. This is the sample space that we get when we roll both the dice together. What we need to find is that probability of getting an even number on the first die or a total of face sum 8. First, let us find the probability of getting an even number on the first die. So, let A be the event of getting an even number in the first die. And also, we are able to find that from the sample space, n of s is equal to 36. Now, let us find what is A. Our A is nothing but 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. When we look at our A, we are able to find that 2, 4, 6 are all even numbers and they appear on the first die. So our n of A is equal to 80. We know that the probability of an event can be found by the formula P of A is equal to total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of favorable outcomes. So in our case, that is, P of A can be found by n of A divided by n of S, which is equal to 18 by 36. Second, we need to find that probability of getting a total of face sum 8. So let B be the event of getting a face sum 8. So our B would be 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, and 6, 2. When we add both the numbers in the ordered pair, that is 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 3 plus 5 equal to 8, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Also, in the sample space, yes, we could able to find that numbers other than this which are listed in B does not have a face sum 8. So our n of B is equal to 5. So by using the same formula that we used to find the probability of an event, we will be able to find that P of B is equal to n of B by n of S, which is equal to 5 by 36. What we need to find actually in this question is that we need to find the probability of getting an even number on the first die, or that is union probability of getting an that is, we need to find that probability of getting an even number on the first die or total of face sum 8. So what we are going to use is that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. In order to use this formula, we need to find P of A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? We found that A is nothing but 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. When we look at A and B together, we will be able to find that A intersection B is nothing but 2, 6, 4, 4 and 6, 2. So our n of A intersection B is equal to 3. By using the formula that we use to find the probability of an event, we are able to find that P of A intersection B is equal to 3 by 36. So now we have the values of P of A, P of B and P of A intersection B. So it is easy to use the formula P of A union B, which is given as P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Hence, P of A union B is equal to 18 by 36 plus 5 by 36 minus 3 by 36, which equals 20 by 36. On simplifying 20 by 36, we have 5 by 9 as our probability of A union B, that is probability of getting an even number on the first day or a total of phase sum 8.